Discovering affordable air travel. A guide to cheap flights. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of travel vocabulary, focusing on a phrase that can make your journeys more budget-friendly. Cheap flights. Whether you're planning a vacation or visiting family, understanding this term is key to unlocking great deals. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. When we say cheap flights, we're talking about airline tickets that are less expensive than the average cost. They are budget-friendly options for travelers looking to save money. Airlines may offer these reduced prices for various reasons, such as early bookings, special promotions, or less popular travel times. Finding these deals might seem like finding a needle in a haystack, but it's simpler than you think. Here are some tips. Be flexible. Traveling during off-peak seasons or days can lead to significant savings. Compare prices. Use flight comparison websites to see which airlines offer the best deals. Book in advance. Generally, the earlier you book, the cheaper the tickets. Set alerts. Sign up for fare alerts to get notified when prices drop for your desired destination. Opting for cheap flights doesn't just save money. It can also encourage travel. Lower costs make travel more accessible and frequent. Allow for splurging elsewhere. Save on flights. Spend more on experiences during your trip. Reduce travel stress. Knowing you've got a deal can make your journey more enjoyable. Cheap doesn't always mean low quality. Many affordable flights still offer comfortable seating and amenities. It's about the timing and method of purchase, not a compromise on your travel experience. And there we have it. Cheap flights are your ticket to exploring the world without emptying your wallet. We hope this guide helps you snag those deals and make unforgettable memories. Safe travels and happy language learning.